Okay, progress over perfection. So there's a couple things that I want to hit here with this one. If you are in a large enough business, you're going to hear this phrase a lot. If you're with a national company or something like that, you'll probably hear this a lot. So really here with upper management, for example, what they're saying is, hey, we need to get some fresh ideas going here for sales. Sales are stagnant right now. I want you to implement something we'll see if it works. So then a month later you come back, hey, how's that initiative going? Well, I'm still thinking through all the logistics of it, and they're not going to want that. They're going to say no, I want you to try something today, come up with a couple ideas today, try it. If it doesn't work, try something else. If that doesn't work, try something else. Progress. Learn from what didn't work, and in a month you can say hey, we landed on what works here, and we're increasing sales. It's this one. Then that person might take that idea and take it to another branch or something. But when you're at, say, an entry-level position, and I use the example of mopping floors, if your job is to go clean a floor, say at a hotel, and you're a technician doing it, and you have a crew leader, the idea is to mop the floor, clean the floor, and when you're done, it's clean. So essentially, it's perfect. So if you clean the floor and your crew leader comes over and says, hey, you missed a couple of spots, you got to go fix it. You're going to fix it right there. So you don't need progress, you need perfection. And a lot of people get hung up on the word perfection. Perfection just means you just need it to be done right. Whenever you're thinking of progress, it's okay to fail a few times. It's okay to try some different techniques. They may or may not work, but you're going to find the ones that do work, and you're going to progress. So that's sort of the difference there. And sometimes if you started at an entry-level position and you're thinking things need to be perfect, this concept might not hit. It might not resonate to say, oh, that goes against what I'm thinking. I think things should be perfect. That's always taught to make the floor perfectly clean, but it's just different. So the other thing is people can get hung up with procrastinating because they're either knowingly or sort of subconsciously waiting for perfect. So they don't want to show what they got because it's not perfect yet. But you just got to break that mindset. So in that sales situation, hey, I don't want to be embarrassed of my ideas that I came up with, so I need to keep thinking about them until I'm sure that they'll work, and then I'll implement them. But that's just not going to work in that situation. You just got to keep failing, fail fast, find what works, and move on. So I think those are the key differences here. Progress over perfection. I think it kind of flips as you get into a more of a management position, from being mostly focused on perfect to mostly focused on progress.